Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw money from Etoro to your bank account. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Etoro. So just search for this one. And then once you're here, just have to go to the left side and tap on withdraw funds. So once you tap on that one, you will have to put here the amount, and you also have to take note about the fee. So it is $5. So in here, you just have to change this one. So I'm just going to change it to 58.91, like that. And then after that, just go ahead and tap on next. And from here, you have two options, which is to withdraw to Etoro money or use a different method. So go ahead and tap on this one. And once you tap on that one, you will have to put here your bank details, the first name, middle name, last name, and also your bank country, currency, and the IBAN. So once you're done filling out all these, just tap on submit. And here you will have to check all the details if those are correct. And if those are correct, just go ahead and tap on submit at the bottom. And here you just have to review your payment information, just tap on confirm. And that's it. You've already withdrawn your money from Etoro to your bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!